No-bake blueberry flan with a fresh, flavorful touch that really stands out. Check out this wonder. Super creamy, elastic, easy to make. This recipe has everything to make a spectacular blueberry dessert, a blueberry flan. That's sure to be a hit. You can stay until the end. I'll show you how good they are. They're totally addictive. First ingredient, 100 milliliters of milk. I have them measured out right there, and we're also going to use 80 grams of blueberries. Half a cup is enough. We pour both ingredients into the blender jar. I'm going to use an immersion blender, but if you want to use a juicer or a countertop blender, that's fine. Let's get to it. 20 seconds of blending and it's ready. Here you have the mixture that's going to work the magic. What a nice color. I love blueberries. I always strain it. I'm going to use the same pitcher I had before, so I don't have to clean another one. And with the help of a little spoon, I'm going to transfer all the liquid to the pitcher. And here in the strainer, only the skins will be left. If you want to include the skins, go ahead. But I prefer it this way because it turns out much smoother. We're going to add 100 milliliters of milk. Be careful because you need just enough to make a total of 200 milliliters. Along with the blueberries, once you have them measured properly, stir. Next ingredient, 200 milliliters of heavy cream, which we're going to add to a saucepan, a pot. We add the mixture we just made, super flavor and super color, and we add sweetness to it. 100 grams of sugar. If you don't like it very, very sweet, 50 will do. Inside as well, see what a wonderful color it is. We go to the stove. There it is. Low heat for 2 minutes. And keep stirring so it mixes well. And now we have it ready. We have it ready in the saucepan. Sugar, saucepan, sugar. And now we have sugar. We have the sugar ready. And now just add a little sugar. Let's add a little sugar. Add enough. You don't need much. The liquid caramel is optional, but besides giving it color on the outside and a little bit of flavor, it also serves as a little trick for us, because it will prevent the flan from sticking to the sides of the glass. So it's better if you add it. Spread it well along the sides of the glass. And I'll tell you in advance that they won't break. Don't worry, it works perfectly. Let's use 3 sheets of gelatin. This is the one I use, but you can use whichever you want. We're going to hydrate it with water. There you go, cold water, and it will take about 5 minutes to hydrate. It won't take longer, don't worry. We go back to the pot, take it off the heat, and give it one last stir so it loses some of the heat. Don't overdo it, just 30 seconds, come on. The gelatin is well hydrated inside, that's why it's just 30 seconds so it doesn't cool down. And with this, while it's warm, the gelatin will dissolve perfectly. Works like a charm. I pour it into a large pitcher to make it easier to handle, and also to let it cool down a bit more before filling. The cups like this, about a third full, is perfect. If you want them a bit bigger, that's fine too, you can do that as well. In this case, we're using individual cups, but you can use whatever you want. A big one, the same pitcher, or even use a dish and cut it later. However you want, it's going to work with anything. Once you have them, put them in the fridge, inside, and we'll leave them there for at least 6 hours. And if you leave them overnight, I can tell you they'll be much better, denser, and with a more developed flavor. So you see, by following this little trick and taking advantage of the caramel edge that's already melted, look how easily they come out of the mold. Look! Pure wonder. Here are your flans that turn out spectacular. Look, no matter how you look at them, they're amazing. And now, straight to the table, blueberry flan, a feast for the senses. Look at it. From any angle, it's a marvel. An overhead shot so you can enjoy it. It looks wonderful. And now let's dig in with the spoon. The ultimate test. Look at that creaminess. It's got everything. Look, wow. I love it. You have to make it. Wow, who could ask for more?